Hey everyone, it's Amber Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a Whole Foods route and I will show you everything that goes on with delivering the groceries. I've already checked in and I'm just waiting on my phone right now. I'm waiting in the parking lot to get my route and then I'll go in, get the buggy, grab the bags, and be on my way. So I just got my order. It's only one stop. This is my first time only doing one stop. And they are supposed to offer you masks for your delivery. I was not offered one. I don't have one, so what's up, Amazon? So I just finished the one stop that I had and it's telling me to go back to Whole Foods to see if I can get another stop. I still have about 53 minutes left of my block, so I'm gonna head back and see if I can get another stop. So I did get a second route for the day. It's only 5 packages, so 2 stops only on this 2-hour Amazon trip, but that's okay. This one's only 5 bags, so at least it was an easy day. Okay, so I just finished my last stop. This is the first time that I've had only 2 stops in my entire route. My least before this was 5 stops. So all in all for this route, it was a 2-hour route, $30 plus tips. Only 2 routes. The sucky thing is the tips. I only have a chance of getting 2 tips instead of multiple tips. But so all in all, it was a good day. I hope you guys liked this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time.